Terry from Sugarland has some cracks in his brick.
And he's hoping it's not the foundation, Tom. Terry writes there are 3 wall cracks in the bricks on the second floor needing repair, right up there over the garage door. See it?
Yep.
It's hard.
See 'em.
Hard to miss. What do you think could be the cause?
Expansion. I don't think it's a foundation problem because it's going almost straight up. And it's a big expansive wall, and there's no expansion joint in there, and it's underneath it looks like a window, which is going to be a weak spot. So there's always a little movement. Brick expands and contracts all the time. That just needs repair work done. I don't think you have a foundation issue at all. When you have a foundation issue, you usually get cracks that open big on one side and small on the other because it's pulling apart, not just a crack itself. And so you could always call Due West to get an opinion and make sure it's not a foundation problem. But I think it just needs repair work. It's not that big a deal. There's a lot of brick repair companies out there.
That's right. You got a question? We can help you out the same way. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill out the form and send it in. We'll use your question in one of these videos or our Facebook Live.
Ding!